So my hands are very cold writing this. Boholana Explorer. Wow, thank you!
Parking the aircraft by row. We ask that you remain seated until the row aeroplane has.
Welcome back. I will drink tanduay. Hello, hello Belgium. No mask at all. My hair is entangled. 28. My tour guide. My tour guide is here speaking Dutch. Magatong laki nga custom. Hi, Dag Laura. Na pagkakita nila, pagkakibaw nila ning ko nga my daughter wants to speak to you. So okay, give me the address. Okay. We're off to the house now. It's very nice weather. Na ilang mga accordion bus and the train station also. So we go to the car park now. Daddy is waiting for us. Car park. It's a big parking space. Oh, it's beautiful weather.
You only get 3 seats, otherwise you cannot use your thing to drive the ride.
And then I told you, get me a ticket. Nila. No.
All alone. There's nobody. Only the city. Oh, it's only one tanduay.
Should also start brushing your teeth.
Yeah, I didn't brush my teeth normally. I brush once in the airport in Doha. Okay, let's open this one. You smell of tanduay.
My turtle!
You smell of tanduay. Smell of tanduay.
The bottle is broken. Open it.
What? No, it's the tanduay.
Yeah, then it's broken, mate.
No, of course not.
Bananas.
Bananas.
Smell it stinks of the ruik van...
Laura, close your eyes.
That's chocolate.
Close the eyes.
That's chocolate.
Close,
Smells of kablea.
close the eyes,
Yeah, that's it. Kablea.
Wow! Green mango. Ay,
It's that sour
and there is Papa. They like it so much with that.
papaya.
Papaya picos. This one, Beo, that's the tablia. Me and Kian. That smell of your...
That's what my bag
All
smells.
food.
And buwan. Buwan.
Oh, that's the whole smell. It smells of the...
No. It's a chocolate base. The chocolate. And this is...
But here, deze
Chocolate.
kant.
Chocolate.
This chocolate, Laura. Kaya what man ako yesterday, I didn't put it in the bag.
That's for in January, I think.
Yeah, this is for making our champurrado pilit.
Yeah, we have
Biko.
No, I have the rice, gani.
Biko,
Whatever.
not champurrado.
This is Ken. This one. Give it to Ken. Gikan na sa iyahang brother-in-law for...
Brother-in-law, brother.
Brother-in-law gani sa... Dili.
From
Uncle John. And this is Ate Melody. Banana leaves.
You're the one who brings all the pasalubong.
It's okay. And here, the tinapa for my... this one. Papa's lumpia. And that's clear, Ate Claire. What else? And this is my pajama.
Sayang, mine was so much prettier.
What else? My coffee. That's all. My olay. This one, I want to mix soup when it's winter.
There's like that here also.
It's okay. That's it. On this one is, what is this? That's the Celine, 2 liters.
Where's mine?
What's yours?
The wrap.
Ay, mo din kuan. Garnier. Duha man na, be.
Hey, LEUVEN. You put that.
What's that? There's Garnier, be. Where's the other one? Hala.
Yeah. Which one you want?
Wait a my dear.
The yellow bottle.
Hala. Where is it? No more. Napaday kuan. Bear Brand, Ate Melody. Hala.
Ay, condensed for Ate Claire.
Asa man the be?
I don't know.
Napatay. Tala mo na, maybe it's there.
It's not in this bag.
And munggos. Munggos. I'll mix a munggos. Hala, be. I put it there, be. Sorry, nak. It's not. Lobby. Sorry, that's it. Aray, namaisan. Ladybug. Hello, Ladybug. Sugang ba? Hi, Lauren. Sasyan ka pa nang umalis. Ako ngayon nagsuroy-suroy. Ang bilis ng panahon. Dito kami sa playground niya. Grabe ang mga truck din niya. Nagko kayo. Dalawang pop. Mano ka. all the lines.